Hello everybody, today we're at Kruby Dam to catch the Murray cod, Yellowbelly and spangled perch and eeltail catfish.
Are we going to catch all of them?
Maybe, maybe not.
Let's see how we go.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yep.
Yep. Are you fishing?
Yes.
Where's your rod?
Over here.
Over there? Are you away from everybody else?
Yeah.
And you got your bells on?
Yep.
Excited?
Yep.
Let's get ready. You've got a big one.
Does he have a big fish? He does.
Come on, Xander. Yeah, Xander.
Did he get it in? Did he do it?
You've got a big catfish.
Xander. High five, buddy.
Yes! My first fish!
This is your first big fish, honey bun.
No.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Well done. Can I face me? I'll get some video.
Get around here in the sunlight, mate.
And then
I'll
I'll
look on the
get,
other side.
And then I'll get the camera. Just wait.
On the other side, mummy.
Wheels. Santa, look at his wheels.
Now, do you want to let him go?
Do you want to put him back in the water, honey?
Oh wow. Santa, look at this. Wow. He drives all the way.
You say bye-bye, fishy.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Here he goes. We'll put him over here where there's a bit of clear water. Ready, mate?
Yes.
Here he goes.
Bye, Mr. Catfish.
There he goes. Bye, Mr. Catfish.
Bye, Mr. Catfish. Can I do it again?
You got your collection, you got your stuff in there. Look, Xander's got a fish on, buddy. Oh, it's a good one. Hold your rod up, hold your rod up.
Isn't it mackerel? Oh, it looks like catfish.
What have you got?
It looks like a catfish.
Okay, keep walking, keep going.
Is it the catfish?
Keep going, buddy.
Oh,
Keep going.
I've got a fish.
Okay, start walking backwards, buddy. There we go. Keep walking backwards, mate. Oh, buddy.
Jellyfish.
Oh, buddy. You just caught your very first Xanders catfish. Buddy. This is your very first eeltail catfish. What'd you get?
An eeltail catfish.
Whoa.
I can see the tail.
Look at him.
That was so strong.
How cool is that? So we're going to decide what you want to do.
Whoa.
If you would like to take him home and eat him or let him go.
Let him go.
Oh, you want to let him go?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and Archer wants to eat him. What do you want to do, buddy?
Let him go.
You want to let him go? Okay, we'll let him go. We'll get him off the line and we'll get a photo and have a look. There we go. Eeltail catfish, Xanders. Xander's very first one. Was that exciting, mate?
Yeah.
You're very excited?
That was the first fish of the day.
And it was the first fish of the day. Now we're just going to let her go in here and get her swimming. So here she is.
No, I'm just going to make her...
There she goes. See you, girl. Oh, Xander's on. Mummy, do you want to grab that GoPro?
Yep, you're
Is
fine,
it
honey.
going? Mate,
Yep, it's going.
into here. Xander. Oh, he's a big
Daddy
one.
might need to help Xander.
I don't need to help him. Xander's got this. Hold him up, mate. Nice and slow, bud. Nice and slow. Bring him up. Hey, slow up.
Slow,
Slow
slow.
Lift him up. Lift him up.
Daddy,
Lift him up.
No, I
Lift him
did.
up.
I did. I
Lift
did.
him up.
I did.
Hey,
Good
Xander.
job, buddy.
Completely nothing on yours.
Daddy,
nothing
there's
on mine.
yours.
But look at Xander got.
What'd you get,
Xander
buddy?
got
What's
an
that?
Australian bass.
Another one.
I didn't think he'd realise.
Look at that.
My second first Australian match.
Holy moly, what a ripper.
Good job, bud.
Yay.
Awesome, mate.
I
Well
never
done.
fished
We get the
with
bimnies and we'll
Where are the bimnies,
go
bud?
out here.
Another fish put it here.
Oh, you want to take this one home too?
Yeah.
Was the other one that tasty? You want to eat another one?
Yeah.
Yes.
What size do you reckon he is?
Can we make another
I
video?
don't know. We can, Mummy's filming behind you, mate.
Hooray.
You happy?
Yeah!
There we go. Look at that. Look at that little net there. And we remembered the net this time, which made it a little bit easier. If we just put that there in the way. There you go. There we go. Buddy, let's the line out for Daddy.
Oh, now it's going
Now,
sideways.
that is your lure that you bought for your birthday. Do you want to turn around and get a photo for Mummy? Show
Why
Mummy
is he
the
trying
camera.
to eat it?
You have it there. Just careful because there's a hook in him. Remember, put your hand under here. Look at that. Another beautiful Australian bass. And Xander. Is that exciting?
Yes,
It is?
it's slimy.
Oh,
Slimy.
Archer, do you like him?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yo, beautiful, but you're
Rightio.
gonna get eaten.
You're going to get eaten.
Yeah.
The wombat. Oops, we've crossed lines. That's all right.
Xander!
Good job,
That's
bud.
a big one.
Oh, Mummy thought she had the bigger fish, didn't you? Mummy just caught one too. And Xander comes out with the bigger one.
Look at the cheeky size.
Hold it down here like this. There you go. Hold it there. There you go. Okay, move back here, buddy. That's a fish.
Oh,
Hey, buddy. Move backwards.
walk
move
backwards, honey.
What's that?
Okay, buddy, just start walking backwards. Start walking backwards.
I can see what this is.
Oh my god.
Step back.
What is that?
What is that? Come and have a look, buddy.
Xander.
Is that a yellowbelly?
That is your first ever yellowbelly.
What is that?
Huh?
Yellowbelly.
That is a ripper yellow, mate.
Lift the line up. Lift your rod up. That's it.
Okay, buddy, start walking backwards. Start walking backwards.
Start walking backwards, honey.
Walk backwards.
What have we got?
You got
Oh, look
a
at
great
that.
big catfish.
Go get your.
Where's your grippers?
Where's your grippers?
Good
Good job.
One.
He's actually quite a decent.
Hang on, buddy. Hang on, buddy.
What do you think, buddy?
Good.
So what I might
Look at
do is
him.
I'll just grab the.
He's looking at me saying, thank you.
Thank you. You gonna put your mac in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to. I think Daddy wants to measure him. What do you reckon? Is he heavy?
Yes, he's heavy.
How big's he going to be?
I don't know.
52 centimeters. I don't know.
Mommy, wormy tickles.
Okay, we put him
Mommy,
onto here.
look where wormy's
Put his
going.
nose up to here.
Mommy, look where
There's
wormy's
his
going.
nose is onto there. It is
Mommy,
50,
look where wormy's going.
54 centimetres.
Oh, it's close.
Look.
Good job, buddy.
54 centimetres, buddy. Now, do you want to let him go?
Yeah. Mommy, look.
Oh
Now,
wow, look
How
at
long
him.
does it have to be?
Xander, put your hand through here, please.
Okay.
And then you can grab the grips. Okay, now you go and put him into the water.
Wormy. Wormy the wormy. He's just wormy. Wormy the
Put him into the water there. Good boy.
Wormy the
And let him go.
He's
And you'll turn around.
just
right.
having a breathe.
Yeah, he's just getting back into the water, Don. Off he goes.
Bye, Mr. Catfish.
Bye, Mr. Eel-tail catfish. Bye, Mr. Eel-tail catfish.
Off he
After
goes.
the eel-tail catfish is gone.
Here's our fish.
What's he got?
You got a yellow
You got a yellow belly.
Yellowbelly. We got Yellowbelly out of Lake Daya. Hooray!
Oh, love you, honey.
Ready?
You don't always mean
Here's your
that.
yellow belly, Xander.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put him onto there. Yellow belly have to be 30 centimetres.
Oh, just
He
under.
is
28 and a half.
28 and a half. So we have to let this one go.
Can I let him go?
Okay.
Does Xander want to get a quick photo
Oh,
with
do you want to
it?
get a photo with him,
Oh,
buddy?
yeah.
Okay, put your hand under here. A hand under here. Hand. Hand flat. Under here. Hand under
I
here.
don't want to.
Hand under his tail then. Here. Hold him up and turn around and face mummy.
Smile.
Hold the fish up, face mummy, mate.
Good boy. There we go.
It's really slimy.
Yeah.
Okay, how about I let him go, okay?
Okay.
You want to watch him go, Archer?
I think
Hop
Archer
up on your
wants to
knees,
do it.
mate.
Bye, little Yellowbelly. We can have him soon anyway. Bye, Yellow.
You babe.
We could eat him anyway. Bye, Yellow.
We let the little yellow belly go.
Bye, Yellowbelly.
Here he goes, little yellow belly.
No, he's not that little. He's just
buddy. Hang on, ready? Bye-bye, little Yellowbelly.
Bye-bye, little Yellowbelly.
Can you see him, Archer? Here he goes.
Bye.
And he's off. Bye-bye, buddy.
He's ready. And
Was that cool?
Yes, and when he grows, we can catch him and eat him.